Viva.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, knock at the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hat. Count along, it's fun to do. Ride and play, just me and you. From 1 to 20, here we go. Let's make the numbers dance and glow. 1 to 10 and then some more. Learn to count and so much more. With every rhyme we jump and play, singing numbers every day. And thanks for counting 1 to 20. Fun and learning we had plenty. Click subscribe and join the crew. More fun rhymes are waiting for you.
Hey kids, hope you all like the video. Watch our latest videos and playlist and have fun. See you again and bye-bye. Keep watching, keep on subscribing. Our next video will out soon.